worthwhile adventures, and we're gonna do a little bit of fishing on this cold December day. Stick around, check it out. So we are at Atlantic Beach, North Carolina, and it is a cold day. Let me give you a current status on the temperature. So according to the Weather Channel, it says it's 49 degrees, and it feels like 45 degrees. Tonight's supposed to be 38 degrees. But we were going to take the boat out today, like we did last time, and caught those trout. But it says the wind is going 11 to 18 miles an hour. And I'm not about to go out in the middle of the water and freeze to death. So we're doing some fishing on the dock to see what we can catch. I do have this new app that tells me, you know, when the fishing is good and things like that. I'll show you what it looks like. It's called, I have to go back and tell you what it's called. It's called like fishing something. But right now it says, you know, North Atlantic Ocean, Atlantic Beach, North Carolina. It says, you know, 80% excellent. So it's about like 2:30. Also like tells you, you know, places and tides and the weather, things like that. But yeah, it's called Fishing and Hunting something or other. I'll put what it's called in the description. So yeah, like I said, the wind's going about 11 to 18 miles an hour, so it's a little windy out here on the dock. And the it's low tide, the tide is coming in. So yeah, there's a boat coming in over there. So I'll show you what we're using, what we're fishing with. All right, so minus the wind, it is a nice day out here. There's our new boat. Well, new to us boat. It worked really well when we went out trout fishing. But I'll show you what bait we're using. I'm actually using blue shrimp. They're frozen shrimp. And I actually got these in Daytona Beach in Florida. So here's the rig I'm using. I'm using a high and low rig on my salty pole. Alright, boat flying in, boat flying in. So I'm using the blue shrimp, and then I kind of got like a pompano rig on there. I always hand make my rigs. I do use the metal ones that you can buy at like Walmart and like other fishing like bait places, but I like to make my own so that way I can put, you know, where I want them, how low I want them. Like I made this one really low to my weight because it's cold out, you know, fish gonna be at the bottom. But yeah, I got glass beads on there, and I got a pink floater on there, and then I got a small hook with a shrimp. So we'll throw it in. The fish are biting over here, so see what we can catch. Throw it back out where I had it. But I tried throwing my stuff out here earlier, but that current is just so strong I couldn't feel anything pulling on my bait, or, you know, eating my bait. So that's why I kind of started throwing it over here. I can see my I can see my my little pink floater. Did he? Oh, we got my bottom shrimp. But that tells you how deep it is right here. I can see my pink floater and the top one. It's not that deep right here. Maybe 2-3 feet, 4 feet. So I'm gonna switch my hooks and put some smaller hooks on there. So I was want to show you, so when I make my rigs, I mean, I do have a video of me making all these rigs if you want to see it. I'll put a link up to that video at the top. But I make them, and like you can make these however long you want to, but I just slide it on like that, and it is so easy just to change out my hooks when I want to. And that's really nice. That's why I like using or making my own stuff. because I can personalize it per se. It just slides right on. Look at that. And change out this one. I wish the wind wasn't blowing so bad, so we could have taken the, I don't want that one, taking the boat out. But I do love that boat. We'll be doing some more adventures on it in the summer. So I'm cutting the bait a little smaller. Let's see what we catch. Oh, we got one. Oh, look at that. Look how little he is. All it took was to change my hook size, and look at him. Little old perch. Silverfish. He's really pretty. He's really shiny. And he's gone. I mean, you can see how windy it is. It's blowing the flags. Yeah, sometimes all it takes is to, you know, change your equipment up. Smaller hook, smaller fish, smaller mouth. It's already bouncing. got another one on there. Oh, look at that. It's another one. He's a little bigger. Check him out. Little bait fish. Let me get my little D hooker. I love this D hooker thing, man. But I noticed that they're eating off that bottom one because it's closer to the bottom of the bottom of the water. No, got no. Oh, we got a pinfish this time. Oof. A little old pinfish. I'm gonna put the rag around him. First pinfish of the day. We've been catching those little silver perch. Ouch. This is the third fish we caught.
Third one?
Yeah.
It's cold out here.
Mm-hmm. Oh no. There it goes. Trying to get it wrapped around my. There you go. That little. Look up. Oh no. He got stuck. There he goes. Oh. Got another little pinfish. Hey, little one. Look at that one. He tiny. All right. So we can't get him off. I probably don't need a little. There you go. Ugh. Ain't he cute? So what's funny is I tried throwing my stuff out there. Nothing. I throw over here close to the dock. Something. Got no. Oh, he's just wrapped around. I was like, I hope he's not foul hooked, but he's just wrapped around here weird. There you go. All right. Looks like he's gonna give me my bait back too. Let's see. Can't get it. It's so tiny I can't get my finger on there. There you go. Here we go. Tiny he is. You tiny. Let me. Son. There you go. Silver perch. Got no one on there. And that little perch. He's tinier. He's tinier. Look up. He's about big as my hand. Nope. That 7-second rule coming into play. I got another little pinfish. Or little old pinfish. Nope, we had one on there. So while I got this back up here, so the key to catching the little ones is to put your bait as closest to the hook as you can and put all of it on there, because they like to rip it off. They go up to it and just and like run with it, so you think you have a hook or you think you got it hooked or whatever. But I know these are circle hooks and they kind of hook themselves, but since they're so little, I like to give it a little extra tug because their mouths are so small. I've taken all that off. Yeah. That's the only bad thing about frozen bait is it can only hold up for so long before it gets all mushy. But I'm just keeping the bait on that bottom hook because they're not really touching that top one, because like I said, they're all at the bottom right now because it's cold. The water's cold. Yeah, I try to put as much shrimp on there as I can like that, so when they go, hopefully I'm thinking they bite it and don't get that hook in them. All right guys, so yeah. Like I said, we were going to take the boat out and do some fishing today, but it's windy and the current was kind of strong. It was low tide this morning, and it's finally the tide's finally coming in. Like, the sandbar is almost covered over here. But instead of like not doing a little video, you know, I decided to come out here and see what we could catch. But we got a little bit of, you know, silver perch and some pinfish, you know, just something a little fun. Every fishing trip doesn't have to be a big trip where you catch big fish, you know. Just come out here and have fun and see what we can catch on a nice cold December day in Atlantic Beach. But like I said, yeah, we turn around, sun's in my eyes, but you can see the boat behind us. So this summer when I come back to North Carolina and visit, we'll do some more fishing videos on the boat and see what we can do, test it out, put it to the test. But yeah, so be on the lookout for those videos for the summer. Alright guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel. If you are, we greatly appreciate it. If you're not, hit that subscribe button. It helps our channel grow. We're also on Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram. And below this video, there's some cool merch. And in the description below, there's a link to our merch shop where you can get some cool Wild Adventures merch. Also on Facebook, there is a holographic sticker and a Wild Adventures koozie you can also purchase. So thanks for watching. See you soon. Hey guys, it's me again. If you want to subscribe to your channel, click over here. If you want to check out some more videos, click down there. If you want to check out our cool merch shop, go to the description below and click the link. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.